Now actually, suppose AP is given, okay? AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, up to AN, which is given by A plus N minus 1D, okay? Then sum of n terms of an AP, sum of n terms of an AP is given by n upon 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So this is the first formula which we have to remember. Sn is sum of n terms of an AP. It is given by n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1D. If we know the last term, then Sn can also be written as n by 2 into A plus L, where L is last term, A is first term and n is number of terms. तो अगर हमको ये पता है कि first term क्या है और last term क्या है, तो Sn can be found by this. Okay. Then nth term of an AP can also be found by the sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms. Nth term can also be found by Sn minus S of n minus 1. Okay. Now, first of all, copy these three formulas. I am going to explain these formulas taking an example. Okay. Everybody copied this formula?
I'm copying.
Okay, copy. Suppose a AP is there, 2, 4, 6 and 4, okay, 2, 5, 8 and 11. Suppose a AP is there. Okay. Is this a AP?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
बस ये यहीं पे फिनिश हो रही है, ठीक है? तो if I say A is 2 here, D is 5 minus 2, that is 3. What are total number of terms? N कितने हैं यहाँ पे?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number of terms are there. If we have to find Sn, Sn क्या होता है? Sum of all terms of an AP. So we can just add 8 plus 2, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 11 is 26. Okay. Now we'll do the verification of that formula. Sn equals to n by 2. N by 2 is 4 by 2. 2A. Okay, I'll write this formula again. Then I'll do n by 2. 2A plus n minus 1D. Okay, if we are doing this by formula, n is what? Number of terms are 4. 2A is 2. N is 4 minus 1 into D is 3. So 4 by 2 is 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 into 3, 9. So that is equal to 2 into 9 plus 4, 13. That is equal to 26. So this is how we get the result by this formula. Sn equals to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1D. And this we have verified using doing it manually. We have just added. Now,
Ma'am, can you repeat what is Sn?
Sn is sum of n terms. इन सब का सम क्या होगा? वो है Sn.
अच्छा, ओके मैम.
अब Sn का नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला था n by 2 a plus l. ठीक है. n by 2 कितना है? 4 upon 2. a is what? 2. l क्या है? 11. तो ये हो जाएगा 2. 2 plus 11 is 13. So 2 into 13, it is again coming 26. Okay. Now if we have to find nth term के लिए हमने एक और फॉर्मूला लिखा था. an equals to Sn minus S of n minus 1. S of n minus 1 मतलब सिर्फ n minus 1 टर्म्स का सम निकालना है. तो S of n minus 1 क्या हो जाएगा? 8 plus 2, 10 plus 5, 15. और Sn क्या हो जाएगा? Sn will be sum of all these terms. So 15 plus 2, 26. Okay. So when we are using this formula, basically what we are doing, 26 minus 15. Okay. That is 11. And if we find them this way. Just ये तो हुआ s of n minus 1 और ये हुआ s of n. तो दोनों का डिफरेंस क्या देता है? an. Okay. So now example 11. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP. AP is given 8, 3, minus 2. We have to find sum of 22 terms. So n is 22. A is 8. D is second term minus first term, that is equal to minus 5. Putting the formula Sn equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay. N by 2 means 22 upon 2. 2 into a is 8 plus n minus 1. That means n is 22 minus 1 into d is minus 5. So it is 11. Okay. 11 into 16 plus 21 into minus 5. This we have to solve. So 11 into 16 minus 105. That is equal to 11 into minus of 89. Multiply this. This is minus of 979. This is the answer. Question number 1. Find the sum of following APs. So 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. Okay. So A is 2. Second, the common difference is second term minus first term, that is equal to 5. Okay. And n is 10. Okay. Sum of AP, we have to find the sum of following terms. So Sn equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 10, so it will be 10 upon 2. 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 into d is 5. So this is 5. 4 plus 9 into 5 is 45. That is equal to 5 into 49. So 49 into 5 will find, and this will be the answer. That is 245.
Right.
Seven plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 up to 84. We have to find the sum of given below numbers. Okay, first of all, we'll check whether it is in AP or not. So common difference is 3.5. We can see 7 and 10.5. It is 3.5. Again 10.5 to 14. Again it is 3.5. So A is 7. D is 10.5 minus 7. That is equal to 3.5. Okay. And here one thing is given. Which formula will use? Anybody?
Ma'am, second formula, that n by 2 into a plus l.
Okay, n by 2 into L A plus L, because L is given here, so it will be simplified. So L is 84. Okay, so Sn equals to n by 2 A plus L. Okay, so n is okay, but we don't know n. So first of all, we have to find n. L equals to A plus n minus 1d. L is 84, A is 7, n minus 1 into d is 3.5, that is 7 by 2. Okay. So 84 minus 7 equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Okay. 84 minus 7 is 77. So 77 equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Okay. So n minus 1 equals to 77 into 2 upon 7. That is equal to 11 2s are 22. So n is 23. We got n here. Now we'll use the formula 23 by 2. A is 7 and L is 84. Okay. So 23 upon 2 into 84 plus 7.
91.
that is equal to 91. Okay, so 23 into 91 divided by 2. Okay, so this will be the answer, 1046.5. Okay, that is equal to 1046.5 or 1046 and half, same thing. Okay, this way we have to do this question. Okay,